Hello, everyone. Welcome back to InfoSec Train's Success Spotlight. We have Pankaj with us today, who has completed his CEH training recently with InfoSec Train and has successfully earned the certification too. Today, we are going to have a small chat with our gladiator Pankaj to know about his learning experience and journey. A very warm welcome to the session, Pankaj. How are you?
Thank you, sir. I'm fine, and good afternoon, you too.
Very, very good afternoon, Pankaj. My first question to you is, how was your experience while preparing for one of the most demanding certification of cybersecurity?
It's a good experience, and when I joined, actually my batch is 14 September I joined, and end of the second week of November. Exact date not specified because some extra session done,
Correct.
and my instructor was Prerna Joshi ma'am. So during that period, I lot of thing we explore because in outside we learn about something, but in during the course, I experienced a lot of things where we need to work and actually what is a strategy and a step to follow it. Okay, so that time I experienced that okay, this is fine, this is thing, and there I am need to focus and that thing improvise more and more. And also my instructor ma'am is very supportive, which thing I'm a lot of confused in our batch. They discuss again until you're not clear. Practical session also. The experience is so much excellent and learn and explore where we go and what is actually cybersecurity strategy, and it's a vast thing. It's a not
Correct.
a short thing. So
And CEH is the foundation of cybersecurity. So definitely there is a very good roadmap you can like achieve with this particular certification.
yes, I got it because during the study and the topics and understanding the cybersecurity, multiple things. So I understand which way. It's a, not a single thing. It's a multiple things. So
Correct.
you need to go which you want to interested and explore yourself.
Correct, because after this there will be offensive security, there will be defensive security, SOC, red
Yeah.
team. So that's the reason our instructors take the step ahead and brief the participants where your key area of interest is, where this is the
Yes.
thing, red team, blue team, purple team, where your interest is and where should you go. So definitely that was a quick like experience you shared with us. How was your experience with InfoSec Train throughout your learning journey so far?
It's a good experience. Someone actually, my sir suggest me go for it. He also working in a cyber security firm. So he told me, reference me. I after searching multiple time, means 2 months after when I joined that, I am not say that this is my bad experience and I didn't got no knowledge. I got a good experience and multiple things. Main thing is instructor and team is very supportive because of the instructor during the teaching time. They some session attended Q&A session, question and answer session,
Correct.
where they show the our question patterns and where we need to. So these things are time to time attend updated my knowledge. So experience is very and concept is clear time to time because ma'am is telling this topic is clear, then we go for next topic. Otherwise, no. So this is a very good approach.
Correct. And that's the reason you were able to clear the examination in the first attempt.
Yeah, I got a 120
Correct.
out of 125.
That's a very good score as well. Great, Pankaj. We are looking forward to your message and tips now you want to share with other CEH aspirants who will be going for the examination soon.
Okay, there are 2 points. First point, if you are experienced, because I am working in that field is a 5 year plus,
Okay.
and so if not a whole thing, because web technologies are different for me, and administrator line, so networking part is good more. So if you are experienced, then you take after the session means your training completed, then you take a 1 month at least you revise all things because 3000 pages is not possible to everyone teach you. Main thing is a base thing you found, base thing they prepare you, then you study yourself. So if you experience, you take a 1 month, 15 days for revise all things, and 15 days go attend the QA sessions and some dumps. Then it's helpful to you get a score high score confidently
Correct.
you. And if you're not experienced, then you take 2 months actually. 2 months, 2 months not a 1.5 month enough if you attended the whole session and time to time study. So I think within 1 month is sufficient for experienced guys. And the QA session must attend it. And the second thing is during the QA session, all options and during secondly, book just study main points of book what they are telling you, because it's an initial type of exam, so it's the question is basically asking what type of concept scenario wise right environments. That's it.
Correct. So, what we understood is your self preparation is the main motto. After completion of the training, you have to take out some particular time where you need to spend, sit, and learn by yourself, revise the video recordings which we share generally with the
Yeah,
participants. So, clearing the concepts after completion of the training program is again a key
yeah,
strategy to clear the examination.
yeah. I just a 45-minute take to complete my exam. This is a
Okay.
10 question which I'm not sure, but 45 minutes I'm surely complete all things and then submit all things.
That's great, Pankaj. And you scored 120 out of 125. That's also commendable.
Yes.
Great.
Thanks for Infosec team and my Prerna Joshi ma'am, which done hard work for me to pushing my heart.
It's
That's
all
why.
our pleasure, Pankaj.
Mm,
Thank you for joining us today, Pankaj. It was
Thank you.
wonderful to have you. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors. CEH is just a foundational level of certification. We look forward to contribute many more trainings and certifications in your success in your journey, because InfoSec Train is part of multiple trainings associated with cybersecurity professionals. So we'll be glad to assist you with any of your requirements in future. Thank you so much,
So I will
Pankaj.
update him.
Glad
I will surely join you.
Glad to know that. Thank you so much, Pankaj. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Same to you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye.